How to use Reddit awards to reward post. So in order to do that, you'll need to buy the Reddit code, which you will need to purchase with a real money. And after doing that, if you do have the Reddit code, you can now locate the award hub, which will basically be on the post that you have posted. You should look directly beneath the main post or the body image card, tap or click on the award icon that would be shaped like a star or medal badge, and next to the upvote and the comment icons you will be able to find that option. What you're going to do is simply tap on that one, and then you can now choose your reward token. After doing that, you can now attach a custom message which will be optional for you, and then finally you can finalize and distribute. You can click on the red give or send confirmation button, and system will automatically apply the visual icon marker or the color highlights to the feed container, notifying the recipient of their reward metadata. And that would be it.